Well, okay. Hello, YouTube. I'm Jay, and behind the camera we've got lovely Shawnee. Shawnee, say hello to YouTube.
Hi YouTube.
Anyways, we started this channel because we're always getting stuck into new projects, rebuilds, refurbs. Sometimes just bringing little things back from the dead. And we thought we'd share that experience with you. Maybe there's something you can take away with you from some of our content. I know we certainly always learn something new when we work on new projects. And maybe we'll go on an adventure or two. We'll see. But if you're watching this clip, obviously you've stumbled across our channel. So welcome to the Refurb Rascals. I hope you guys will enjoy our content as much as we'll enjoy bringing it to you. And yeah, check out our first clip. It's where we designed and created our logo. We did it the old school way. So that's who we are. We like to get things done by ourselves, and we like to get them done with what we've got. Hopefully that'll inspire some of you guys to start up a couple of new projects. Anyways guys, once again, welcome to our channel and please subscribe.